Hi, this is Morgan with WTI, and if you have a cute fur ball like this guy, you're going to want to check out these super cute collars.
When we got our kitten, Walter, we wanted a collar that was just as cute as he was. So I found this adorable handmade sushi collar by Pugs to Persians. The colors are bright and vibrant, and it has the cutest little onigiri bell on it. It's so adorable. If you have an indoor-outdoor kitty, the breakaway part of this collar is super important in case of an emergency. The colors are super bright and vibrant, and I love the little faces on all the sushi pieces. This is the wasabi green color. It also comes apart easily and is super easy to adjust just by sliding the little adjustment to make it smaller for a little kitten, or you can stretch it all the way out for a bigger guy. This one is a small, so it's recommended for 10 pounds or less. The reinforced cotton on this collar is so soft and lightweight. That means Walter can take cat naps all day long in comfort. Walter can also play like a crazy kitten, and if it gets dirty, you can throw it right into the washing machine.
So if you're looking for a cute sushi collar for your fur baby, go check out these collars. And that's my point of view. Is that yours too?